What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Slim Sid or Sid Codes. In the video, I'm gonna showcase how you can build this chatbot right here. It's a fundamental design. I'm hoping for you to expand on it, but it's to give you the basis how to get that reply answer situation going on. And without further ado, let's hop straight into it. And of course, we will be utilizing ChatGPT Turbo. So this is what we be building right here. Let me actually make this up for that. And yeah, so let's get straight into it. So let's open up a new terminal. Let's get everything I need right here up and running. I'm probably gonna close this out regardless. So I'll build a new terminal. We'll see my face. Let's npx create react app my app, and we're gonna hop right into a lot of this stuff. We're not gonna take too long with it. The first thing that I will be building out is the server in this particular example. So we can just let that bad boy do what it do. Let that do what it do. Let me actually do this right here. Let me try to maximize some things so I have everything in my view. We're gonna cut this. Alright, once your React is open, what we want to do is do a new folder, do server. Then what we're going to do is we're going to create a new terminal. Within this terminal, we're going to cd to my app. Within this terminal, we're going to cd my app. In this terminal, we're going to cd the server. And we're going to npm install express. Get that bad boy going. Npm install OpenAI. Get that bad boy going. Npm install body parser. If I'm looking up, it's because I have my MacBook right here. I have my monitor right here, and I'm looking at both. Npm install cores. Npm install .env. We need all that. Then it's open up. I didn't. That's weird. Let's go over here. Go to package.json. Did all of it get installed here? It did. Doesn't matter, right? Let's open up servers. Do new file. Do server.js, right? Save that. Now, what we're going to need to do is just create an open AI API. I'll be doing this in a lot of my tutorials, but I'm just going to do it again. We're going to do cost express equals require express server const body parser equals require body parser, right? And const cores equals require cores. Cool. Require for our .env file, require .env.config. Cool. Now we need our API, and this is the Open API configuration. You can find that in your documentations. It usually looks like this. In our particular example, we'll make a new key. Boom, right here. Let's go back to React app. Let's go to servers, create an infile.env. It's called private key equals boom. Now let's see if the private key is working. It's console.log process.env.private key. We can do node server.js. It logs the private key, so our server is working fine. Now let's delete this. Let's bring some space over here. Now we want to initialize our express server by const app equals express. Awesome. Then we want to do app.use cores to send an HTTPS request. App.use body parser.json. This is for the shrinkimization of JSON. Anyways, we're perfect. Let's host where we're going to host. What port is our server going to be hosting on? Const port equals 580 in this particular example, 580. Boom. Then we're going to app.listen. Boom. Let's create a function. Boom. Then we're going console.log. App is listening on http/localhost boom port save. Let's actually expand this out a little bit so we can see more. You do clear is node server.js. Error, it says that boom, 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 a leave option. That's why you're supposed to have port right here. Clear, Node.js, same thing. What's the error? What's the error looking like? If I do async function, does that fix it? Sometimes it does. Does not. It says unhandled error app.port listen port function console log app.listen port console log. Oh, where's my mouse at? It's already in use. It's already in use. So let's do 570. I don't know what's listening on it. There we go. App.listen. Whoa. Let's do it like that. See, that looks better, right? Because that's how it looks over here. Cool. So now we have this open, but we're going to need to make post requests to our, we're building out a bot here. So in that bot here, we're going to need to be using Text DaVinci 02. This is not the new ChatGPT. I'm sorry. This doesn't do translation. In this particular example, we're doing a translation bot, right? So we're going to create it like this. We're going to do an app.post at this index. Async is going to take a request and a response. It's going to be a async function within here. And this is going to be in the front end. It's going to take a message in the body request, which we'll be sending toward and we'll get to later. So const message equals request.body. We're going to want to console log that message as well. And we go over to that. Let's go over to this and we go to documentation and we go to chat and we look at how they are utilizing theirs. Is it on this one? I don't think it's in this one. What's the contract completion? I'm looking for the chat completion one. I have it right here, but I want to show you. This is like they're taking OpenAI. Yeah, it's like this. So we're actually going to utilize something like this, and I'm going to show you right here. So it's the const completion is equal to await open dot create chat completion. Boom, but it takes in an object instead. That's spelled completion, right? About to see right here. Copy this. Let's see right here. It's fine. We have messages equal boom. Then within here, I'm missing something. First, we do model equals, well, text the event sheet dash 02. Let's do model text DaVinci dash 0 to 2. Is that actually equal because the object is like that? Then we have our messages, which I'm going to actually copy this right here. Copy. Then we can say, again, it's not equals like that. And I'm going to change this like this. The system, you are a helpful assistant that translate English into Japanese. Spell Japanese, right? I hope so. It's world rap this. What is that? So it's actually, if I do option D, it does it. So option D is mine. Then we can do right here, translate this into Japanese. I have something right here already, which is already Japanese. Could be played around with. Boom, takes in that. Then I'm gonna say translate. I'll make it like this to train it a little bit. Page, translate this into Japanese. So say that I'm trying to translate this following English text into Japanese equals boom message message, we have to actually make this so we do train I don't know how to say the word, man. Like that, you save under here, bracket like that. We can console.log the completion dot choices at the 0 index dot message dot content. Then same thing under here, we can really just take this, we can stringify the message or JSONify it, the message, boom. Now I want to make sure that is okay. That is okay. And ideally this should be working. But how can we test if this is working? We actually can do this. Let's take this right here. Go const chat GPT, which is equals async function, which takes in the prompt. Boom, like that. Oh no, like that. Boom, like that. Takes it, let's say prompt instead. Have it console log this. Boom, like that. Boom, like that, like that. Make sure this is all right. See, it's missing something like that. Console log that. Then we can do chat GPT. Translate this into Japanese. Hello, how are you? Then we can do this. We can run the function. Doesn't work. Open is not defined. Open AI. Same with here. Open AI. Save that. Clear. Node.js. Something happened here. Something happened here. Did I get the I don't know what happened. This actually messed up. Close you out real quick. Let me move you up. Gotta be looking. Clear. Node.js. So this is happening. I don't know what's happening here. ChatGPT takes in the prompt. We're supposed to content though. Oh, I wish I'm listening to what happened here. GPT 3.5 Turbo. Clear. Okay, so well, we're gonna change it to GPT 3.5 Turbo. I thought the Text DaVinci was the right one. I was using that before. All of a sudden, it's not the right one. So let's try now. Okay, so it works. So far, we got it to work. And you know, it's very simple. You know, you can make more complex. So I'm going to build up more complex thing as I practice it as well. So, but we had the simple function to work. Now let's go into our front end application. It's npm start and start to build this bad boy up. Let's go to source. That is fine. Let's go to source. App.js. Let's remove everything in here. Boom, boom, boom. Now what we're going to need to do is we're going to create it like this. We're going to create we're going to call it a div class name equals chat container. Boom. Within the chat container, we have a div class name equals chat box. Within this chat box, let's actually put it like this. So you can see the hierarchy. Div class name equals chat header. Within the chat header, we're going to have a P just inquire about the company, right? Boom. Up there, it's cool. Under the chat header, we have a div. Do we have any under chat header? yeah, this a div class name equals chat flex. Under here we have div we have a div class name equals chat messages. Under here we have our p class name equals bot messages. What's the question? Then boom, up that we have our user messages. Boom. I'm about to ask the question. Awesome. We have that going on. Now what we do is we have a chat container. Do we want this to be in? That's the chat flex. That's the chat box. I want everything to be bright. So we're going to keep the form, what we have, form. In the form, we have an input. Of course, value equals, it's going to be empty right now. Placeholder equals, what is your question? Boom. Perfect. Then under here, we're going to have a button type equals submit. Submit. Awesome. Now we just get into the style of the bad boys, right? What we want to do is we want to go into our app.css. We want to create the chat container. Chat container. Do .chat container. What is it? It's a position absolute because in the corner absolute. Awesome. We have bottom 20%. What does it look like? Let's see, 24%. Okay, we have it on the right, so right 5%. Boom, like that, perfect. Border radius 6 pixels. Remember, because it had like a nice border to it. Then let's do a height of 400 pixels to get the height that we want. Then overflow hidden. Scroll is going to need that to do the scroll when the messages are coming. Give it a border 1 pixel solid. Hash the FFF. Let's go to FFF. Let's make it more darker like that. Cool. Padding bottom 60 pixels. It's going to be perfect. So one thing is now I want to make everything in the chat container div. I want that to be position relative so nothing floats outside of it. What do we have here now? We have our chat box. Within our chat box, we have I'm gonna height 100%. Perfect. We want that right there. Position red. I can need that because I relative overflow y auto. So scrolls when it needs to scroll. We have our chat flex. What do we make the chat flex? A display flex, of course. Then justify content space between. Then flex direction column. Perfect. Height. I like to do that web kit fill available. And give the flex 110%. I don't think you use this. Just take that away. Now we're dealing with design the form. We're getting close with form. Give it a height of 40 pixels. Boom. Okay. Border. Give it this border right here. Okay. I hope that fixes that. Position absolute. I want it to sit at the bottom at all times, right? It's like, why does it look like that? Stay with me. Bottom 0. Boom, 0. It's at the bottom. Cool. Width 358 pixels. Matches the width of that. It's fine. Display flex. Z index 1. Okay, cool. Then let's go to our form input. Let's make that bad boy bad boy. Same thing with the width. Let's give it that width right there. Width though. Get a width right there. Let's give it a border. None. Perfect. Let's give it out like none. Height 100%. Boom. Now let's go over here to the form button. We're doing good. Border none, of course. A height 100%. Let's give it the same border right here. Boom, like that. Give it a background. Has the FFF. Boom. Padding 10 pixels. And we get a cursor pointer. Still don't see the button for some reason. We're gonna figure that one out in a minute. And we have our, what else we have? We have our, we're missing something. We're missing something in the bot.messages. I have to wrap this in the div class name equals response flex. Boom. This is where the responses are going to lay. And the response flex. Do that, save, go back to the app.css so we can actually style the bad boy, give it a response flex, display flex direction column. Alright, give it space, but this is really the gut meat is the styling of the messages, which is okay, it's relative, of course, relative. Min height, give it of the 32 pixels. Okay. Border style solid. So things stay consistent. Border width 0 pixels. Things stay consistent. What's up, YouTube? Back, new day, new fit. I just want to say, my recording died, and guess what? I recorded again, it wasn't even showing. So, I'm not gonna take too long. I just want to get straight into it. We're gonna finish this chatbot, so y'all can start your day, right, and do, things that don't matter in your life. Anyway, let's hop into it. So what we're gonna do is just simply go back to bot mesh. We're gonna color. First of all, this message is, so we can, color. Give it a RGB of 66, 91, 118. Say it like that. There you go. Now you can see it. It's actually go to chat header. Is up here? It's not. Let's give chat header. Let's give chat header a padding of one pixel. Okay, background blue. Color. That's a white. Let's give this actually a width of 380 pixels. There we go. I don't like this blue too light. Boom, like that. Cool. Now we're good. Go back to bot messages. Give it a line of center. Center good is display flex. I think it's a display flex. It's not even display flex. We don't need that. Go align. Cell flex start for bot messages. Let's give it a padding of 8 pixels, 16 pixels. Give it a border radius of 0 pixel, 8 pixels, 8 pixels. Right? Nice. We're on to something. Max width. Let's give it a max width of 284 pixels. Nice. We actually can copy this. Do Option Shift up arrow to create duplicate. Is do user messages. We just want to change the line self to flex end. Save. Look at that. We're on a roll. Let's actually fix that forms. Go to that forms. Give it a width 100%. Perfect. Let's go actually form button. Let's get a effect form button. Hover. Get a background. Hashtag boom. Let's get a color. Hashtag white. Boom. Let's get a transition. Background 256 millisecond ease in. Let's do color 250 millisecond ease in. Save. Boom, right here. Cool. Now we get to the important function of, activating our chatbot. Okay, like this is okay. Import. Do import use state from React. Perfect. Then we can go down to here. Option C this so I can have everything I need. Alright, since we got that going on, we can do const message, set message equal use state empty, because we're going to need extra messages we send, and const responses, set responses equals use state. It's going to be an array for this one. Save that. We're going to create a function on submit, so when we send it, so pretty much perform const handle submit equal async function takes it to e, boom, then e dot prevent default. So let's reload. Let's add that to here. Actually, we can have this to be the message. Then we have form on click handle submit. Good here. On change, but takes an e set messages. Set message is e dot target dot value. So actually we can see that real quick. Console, or just click here and just you see the value change. Perfect. All right, perfect. We can go back into here, and this is where things get tricky, guys. I'm just gonna copy and paste. I really don't know what's going on, but I know it works. All right. But this part I do want to type out for you because we're accessing our server. So const response equal await, boom, fetch, boom, http / local host 5069 / boom. Okay, we have our method post. Then we have our then we have headers. Boom. Then we have our content type. Boom, like that. Applications /JSON like that. We're looking good. Then the body's going to take a JSON that stringify. It's going to stringify the message. Then what happens after this is like a then, response, JSON, get that. Then you got then, call it data. It's going to get the data message. Why is it like that? Why is it like that? It sounds somewhere like that. I don't supposed to be like that. It's not. Why are you like that? Like something's wrong here. Anyways, catch, boom, it's going to just catch an error, boom, console.error save that bad boy. This is where things get confusing, guys. And like I said, I'm just going to copy and paste it, and it's going to work. Ooh. Just copy this. Remember I built this before? See the errors pop up. Save this. Now we're good. Boom. So that is looking fire. Now we just have to change this right here. We're going to copy this or break this, and what we're going to do is we're going to responses.map, take the response and an index, do it like that. We're going to have a div class name equals, what was it, response _flex, div, do it like that. Save. Perfect. Then P class name equals bot messages. Boom. It's going to be that question that was, we asked them, or technically it's the response. Then dot response and P class name equals user messages, boom, r dot response, like that, save. Let's see if it works. My name is Sydney Sanders. Ooh, here's it didn't work, but it worked right here. Sitting in undefined. Ooh, alarm went off. My girl's texting me, you know what I'm saying? You gotta text her back. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, we're gonna see what's going on here. Yeah, I'm really going to do this. Honestly, I know y'all came here for the code. Save. My name is Cindy Sanders. Response messages. Messages save. Okay, so you see it's not getting the question. So it's something in this code right here. You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this. It's probably this code up here. It's probably this code right here. Oh, set message. Set response is perfect. It's the data.message one, isn't it? I see the issue right here. See the issue right here. It's this right here. It's the then. It's not getting the data. I don't know what it was. Okay, still undefined. So we're going to take this and copy this. We want you, boom, here. We got a use state going on. There you go. Okay. My name is Sydney Sanders. I'm sorry, but I can't. Okay, we're gonna refresh this. Why I keep saying those undefined? Oh my goodness. Let's not do that. It's messing things up. Is it automatically sending stuff right now? I feel like that's what's happening. Why is it automatically sending stuff? As you see, it's sending stuff. It's not. Like even when you click on it, something's going on. Something's going on, guys. Something is going on that it just keeps updating it. But in type submit, then submitting is updating it. You know why? Because on submit, guys. On submit. I'm like, why is this not working? Fixed it. What day is tomorrow? If I say you're lying. Keep saying undefined. Why is it undefined? Set message to be message. Message is getting sent to message. I don't want to be on a bot thing, but why is this thing undefined? This is weird. This is so weird. This is so weird. Let's refresh this. You're lying. Ooh. Let's try again. 560. 669. What is tomorrow? Okay. I think it was something here. We got post, date, message, update response. Hello. What time is it? Perfect, guys, and that's how you build this. That really, you just want that chat response. I hope that was digestible, guys. I'm getting better at these videos. I'm trying my best. But y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share if you're new.